Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to do cost accounting subject and I've taken a topic labor costing in that. And again in labor costing, the incentive schemes. Because that is a question they used to ask for the 14 marks or even for a 6 marks question for Bangalore University paper. So here I have just taken a very small question, but the question is small, but you have a lot of working to be done. But if you know the formula for Halsey and the Rowan plan, you will be able to do the sum. It's actually quite easy, like how we done in the previous video. Same like that, a similar question I have taken it. Okay, so here we just see the question. A worker produced 200 units in a week time. Okay, the guaranteed weekly wage payment is 45 hours is rupees 81. So that is given to us. So now what is given, we have to just keep it in our mind that what is given, because there are certain information which is not mentioned in the question. Okay, now the expected time to produce one unit is 15 minutes, which is raised further by 20% under incentive scheme. So under incentive scheme means that the moment they have given in the question incentive scheme, we have to remember that they are telling about your Halsey and the Rowan plan. Okay, so what will be the earnings per hour of that worker under the Halsey plan? 50%. Why means that we know that under Halsey plan the bonus calculation is there, so it will be used to take 50%. Okay, 50% of time saved into rate per hour for bonus calculation. That is why this 50% sharing is given. And Rowan bonus schemes. So whenever bonus is there, when the bonus will be given if the time saved is there. So whenever time saved is there only, we will be giving a bonus under the Halsey and the Rowan plan. Okay, so now we'll just come into the solution. Working note. This is a working note for calculating the standard hours. Standard hours is not given in the question, so that we need to find it out. Okay, so now the expected time to produce one unit under incentive scheme, how much they given? They given that it is 15 minutes. They given produce one unit is 15 minutes, and they given which is raised further by 20% under the incentive scheme. 20% under incentive scheme means incentive schemes are which one? Halsey and the Rowan. So we have to increase on this 15 minutes. We have to increase by 20%. So that is what I have done it here. Increase by 20%. I have written it also. So 15 into 20% we are getting 3. So that 3 we have to write it under over here. 15 minutes is given in the question. So 15 plus 3 we are getting 18 minutes. So this is 18 minutes which is given to us. We just got it while adding 15 minutes to the 18 minutes. Now what is the time actually allowed for actual weekly production? That is also given in our question. That was 200 units. So this was given to us. 200 units is actually given to us. So now if time allowed is given, the worker produced 200 units in a week. So he has produced 200 units. So 200 into the 18 minutes, we will be getting 3600 units. When you convert it, we will be getting it as 60 hours, because we require 60 hours base, because hourly calculation we are doing. That is why we are converting into 60 hours. Don't keep it as such like 3600. So because you will have a confusion in calculation of time saved. Okay, so you have to convert into the hourly basis. So now the next portion is that we have to find the time saved. Since we got the standard hours is 60 hours, that was 3600 minutes or 60 hours. Okay, so now time saved we got it as, how will we find standard time minus the time taken which is given in our question. So 60 hours which we calculated from the working note minus the 45 hours, we are getting 15 hours. So this is the time saved. So whenever there is a time saved, we need to do the Halsey and the Rowan plan. Okay, now wage rate per hour, how will you do it? 81 divided by 45. So we are getting rupees 1.80. Okay, so wage rate per hour is 81. 81 is given in another question. In our question it is given payment for 45 hours is rupees 81. So this 81 is actually given in the question. No confusion for that. Okay, so rupees 1.80. You will be thinking why we found that, because wage rate was not given in the question. Got it? So now we will be going to do under the Halsey plan first, later the Rowan plan. Okay, now under the Halsey plan, what is the formula? Hours worked into the rate per hour plus 50%. I just directly did this problem. If you want, you can do it separately also, the bonus calculation. Okay, I've just done it together. So this portion is actually a bonus calculation. 50% of time saved into rate per hour. This is actually bonus. Now how much is hours work? hours worked is 45, which is given in the question. 1.80 we found out now. So plus half means 50% itself. Half into time saved is how much we got? 15 hours into 1.80. So we are getting 81 plus 31.50, 94.50 is the earnings. Now this is the total earnings. If you want to find it for per hour basis, how will you do it? This earnings divided by the 45 hours which he has worked. Okay, so 2.10 rupee 2.10 is the earnings per hour. So this is actually under the Halsey plan. Now we'll see under the Rowan plan. Rowan plan also I have just together done it. Bonus I have not calculated separately. If you want, you can do it separately and later you can add it. Okay, so here also hours worked into rate per hour plus time saved divided by time allowed into time taken into rate per hour. Whichever it is put it in the box, that is bonus calculation. Okay, so now hours worked or time taken is how much? 45 hours, which is given in the question. 1.80 we calculated it, plus your bonus 15 hours divided by 60 hours into 45 hours into 1.80. We are getting a total of 101.25. That is the total earnings under the Rowan plan. Okay, now same manner, if you want to find out earnings per hour, how we will do it? Earnings divided by the time that he has worked, that is how much? 45 hours. So we are getting it as 2.25. Hope you understood. Thank you for watching.